I love first impressions. I'm gonna find one out right now. S550 Mustang running our Paxton Stage 3 Supercharger package. I'm gonna talk to Dustin right here. George is looking for a ride. Dustin, what do you think about this?
I think it's way better than I ever dreamed.
You like the power?
When he punched it in third, it felt like I was on a roller coaster.
How'd it pull? Good?
Oh man, all the way until he let off.
All right, so you got your kids here with you. Who's in here? What's your name?
Richard.
Hey Richard, what's your name?
Alex.
Hey Alex, what did you guys think about that?
That was awesome. Yeah, it was awesome. I liked how it went after you laid off. It went.
Oh, you like that right there?
He likes the blow off valve.
Of course, he likes the blow off valve. Let's take a closer look. Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thank you for watching Brenspeed TV. Check this out. Started as a bone stock 2015 Mustang with 90,000 miles, and now it has our Stage 3 Paxton package on it. We also ran our Stage 1 and Stage 2 package on this car, just so I can show you dyno graphs. But before we look at that, and we look at the over 700 Rwhp horsepower this car made with the Stage 3, let's take a look at the engine compartment. Does this look awesome or what? Let's take a closer look. That baby is sweet. So what's the difference in the packages and what do you get? So all of our package come with the Paxton 2200 Supercharger. The big difference in the packages are boost. So all of them, you're gonna get the JLT cold air intake, you're gonna get larger injectors, you're gonna get a fuel pump upgrade, of course a proper calibration, a set of colder spark plugs. But the Stage 1 is 9 to 10 PSI, the Stage 2 is 11 to 12 PSI, and the Stage 3 is 13 to 14 PSI. And the reason those PSIs are not exact is because it really depends how many RPM you go up to. So I was running this car up to 7,500 RPM because it does have really good cooling mods. It's got a set of billet oil pump gears we installed with the Stage 3. But at 7,000, you're gonna probably be a little bit lower boost than at 7,500. That's just how it works. Centrifugal. Boost builds with RPM. Higher you go, the more boost you're gonna make. Check out this dyno pull. Okay, so I brought up 3 graphs, the Stage 1, 2, and 3. Look at these numbers, they're really, really awesome. Coyote's a killer engine. Starting from the highest to the lowest, the Stage 3 kit made 726 to the tires, Stage 2, 688, and Stage 1, 642. Torque was awesome as well. All of them make over 500. 500 foot-pounds of torque on the Stage 1, 521 on the Stage 2, 548 on the Stage 3. That is awesome. And again, all these packages are exactly the same except for how much boost we're running. This car's running 93 octane. These are all pump gas calibrations. They're all calibrations that we can do via mail order or in-house. So if you want one of these packages shipped out to you, we can do it. Or if you want to come in for an install, we can do that as well. If you want to come in for an install, just email quote@brenspeed.com to find out how much it costs. Or you can call us 574-594-9559. Call us on the phone, we'll tell you how much it costs to get it installed, or maybe you want it shipped out to you. You might have questions about this. This car has 90,000 miles, so don't be worried about how many miles your car has on it. This car runs really, really well. It drives really nice, it's a great street car, and the torque is awesome. I'm talking light the tires up driving down the road. So I'm Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Check the description in this, because I'm gonna have some information more about this package. I'll put some more links in there. Then don't forget to hit subscribe, so you're gonna stay up to date. You can hit that little notify button, and that's how you're gonna be notified every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching.